everybody, this is what we're making today, or I should say 2 months ago. I'm only getting around to edit this video now. Actually, I'm not even making it. My girlfriend Kathleen is. I'm just assisting. This is the Cricut Bright Pad, and we used this to weed out the vinyl that Kathleen was going to use. And it is a great tool to have in your craft room. Look at that. When you're going to weed something or trace something, this Bright Pad is truly a tool that helps your eyes, and especially as I get a little older. It made reading so much easier. So Kathleen came over with 3 vases from her daughter's wedding. They were actual centerpieces. And she wanted to create this beautiful design. So the center jar is going to say family with the date of the wedding. And on the left jar, it's going to have Steve and his daughter's name, and Dana and her son's name. Because Steve and Addison are father-daughter, and Dana and Caleb are mother-son, and they came together as a family. And I think that Kathleen's design concept was spot on. She hit the home run out of the ballpark. Kathleen was a quick learn. She did really well with applying the vinyl, making sure there were no bubbles in it. Her design concept, like I said, it came to life, and she loved it. She was actually having a blast. I even love the font that we chose. So here I am. I'm the one that's assisting. She's the one placing the vinyl on, and she did a great job. Then she has these, she got the flat back pearls from the Dollar Tree, and she brought over this light set from QVC or HSN. I don't know which one, but they were battery operated, remote controlled lights. So each jar has a set of lights with the battery pack in it, and she hid the battery pack underneath the stones. I have to tell you, I have to go get these silly lights. I have to find them. They're that cute. When she turns them on, you're going to be like, wow. So even the tool came from the wedding. She saved it for 2 years. So I guess for 2 years she had this design concept in her head, and it finally came to life. Look at those lights. Look at those lights. How cute are those? And that's the remote control. It does all different, red, green, purple, blue, any color you want, it does. There's Kathleen. She's sitting in my seat. I let her have my chair for the day. I know, I hope the motion of the camera doesn't get you seasick or dizzy. I'm not used to being there. I'm used to being in that seat. That's my seat. I'm only kidding. Look how beautiful that came out. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think that this was a fun craft that I assisted in. So not my design, but I helped. Look at how great that came out. Look at everybody's so happy. This was the girls hanging out. Love them. And they actually sync together. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all real soon. Alright, bye.